welcome back to our channel. So y'all read the title. Today I have another TikTok hack, but I kind of saw this. Well, I didn't see it on YouTube. I saw another YouTuber have this bag, and she said she make them her there, but I saw actually how you make them on TikTok, which is this one. So I first saw this bag on African Mall, which whenever my clothes get here, I will give y'all a haul video on that store, and I will let you know if it's legit or not. But yeah, first saw this bag on African Mall, then reading the comments on TikTok, I saw it was like the it thing now. Like, it costs, some places cost over $200, which I don't know, but also which on African Mall is way cheaper. So yeah, so today I will be showing y'all how to make a basketball purse. Like in the video, what you're gonna need is a ball. Try to that ball costs like $5 at Walmart, but if you have a if your thrift store is open or Dollar Tree, go there first before you go to Walmart. But that wasn't bad for $5. And what else I got is a hot glue gun, hole puncher, glue sticks, some rings for the purse, some chains for the purse, and some more glue and some more rings for the purse. So, and scissors. So yeah, I am going to attempt to make this basketball purse because I want one, but I really do not feel like waiting for it to be shipped, because as y'all know, everything is backed up shipping right now, so I really don't want to wait for it to ship. So I'm gonna try to make it myself because I love basketball and I have a whole bunch of jerseys to wear this summer, and this will look perfect with it. So I hope you guys like this video. Make sure you like and subscribe to this video so you don't miss no more TikTok hacks. So let's get into this hack. The first thing you want to do is cut an oval out on the ball. So I'm going to cut at the top. So after you cut off on the top, take your hole puncher and put holes like at the bottom, like right here on each side. after it dries, we're going to add the rings. So the next step, we're going to super glue the zipper on. Okay, y'all, so I'm sorry I didn't come on here and film the rest, but let me just say, I am not crafty. I hated art in school, so this was more harder than it needed to be because I'm not crafty at all. Like, I messed up a few times. I messed up, but I think I left off after you glue the zipper down. You're gonna put your chain on. Y'all see? Y'all see it? Me, oh, y'all, I'm on my phone because I want to show y'all that I updated the straps. So, yeah, I really like this way a lot better. So, that's it. That's all. I'm done. But yeah, I like this way a lot better. There you have it. I don't like a basketball player with this on. But yeah, there you have it. Another TikTok hack. I give this TikTok hack a thumbs up. It did work. I'm just not as crafty as the young ladies that make it, but this does work, and I'm gonna carry it when it gets warmer and I wear my jerseys outside. Yeah, but I like it. I like it. I like it. I like it a lot. I do. I like it. So let me know down below if you like this hack, and give this video a thumbs up. Let's get this video to 500 likes, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell so you can be notified when we post more videos. And yeah, until next time, here's gang.